Like a steel pontoon where you have to scrape, it gets rusted, it needs maintenance. This doesn't need any maintenance. This is a concrete thing which keeps floating on the water. It's safe, it's solid, and it's got a life of nearly 50 years, which is more than most of your bridges and other structures are. So I am very grateful that our government has recognized the potential of floating jetties, and we are going to have, I think Marine Tech, my company is looking forward to doing a lot of projects, and now it has become a policy from the shipping ministry. A whole new policy on floating concrete jetties has come out. So from shipping ports to passenger jetties to tourism jetties and fisheries, the big potential is in fisheries. All these areas are going to be exploited with floating concrete technology. With that, I won't take any more of your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Where we also witnessed the inauguration of the solar electrical hybrid high-speed ferry launch. The name of the contractor being Aquarius Shipyard Private Limited, and the total cost of the project is 3.97 crore. May I request Mr. Prathamesh Dandekar, proprietor of Aquarius Shipyard, to please address the gathering.
Hello, good morning to all the honorable ministers, press and other guests. So this project was started by Ferry Shipyard in 2021, and throughout COVID we continued building this solar ferry and delivered it a couple of months ago. So this ferry is about 20 meters in length by 9 meters, and we've provided 3 separate modes of charging. So the first mode of charging being shore supply, second mode of charging obviously being the solar panels that are above where all of us are seated, and the third mode of charging being a diesel generator. The main reason for having the diesel generator was because this is an IRS approved boat, and being a passenger vessel we would need an auxiliary power supply as well as a range extender. This is what the DG acts as. So when the entire batteries are completely charged, there's 2 options in which we can run the boat. Option 1 being completely electric, and as you guys can see, the boat's running right now and it's very silent compared to your conventional diesel propulsion. And it would take about 4 hours to go back and forth about 4 times from here to Shara, where the ferry would be plying. Additionally, option 2 would be running the DG as well as running the electric propulsion, and that could run the boat continuously. Like you wouldn't have to stop as long as you have solar power and diesel energy. So we have about 50 solar panels on top, and Aquarius has tried to make this ferry as Goan as possible. Our solar panels, our fiber, mat, everything in this boat is Goan, made solely in Goa and supplied by Goan vendors. The electric propulsion, however, is from Europe. The reason being that we had to procure a marine-approved diesel motor. Sorry, not diesel motor, marine-approved electrical motor. So that's the only reason we had to import that particular piece of equipment. And I would like to thank COP, R&D, and the government of Goa for giving us the privilege to build this vessel. And it is the first step towards pioneering a green future, and is in line with the government of India's green initiative. Thank you very much.
The floor is open for press briefing. Anybody from press who wants to ask a question?
Sir, you will give grip, sir. Very grip, sir.
कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट अँड रिव्हर नेव्हिगेशन्स आणि MPT हाच्या वतीन आयच्या ह्या 2 प्रोजेक्टाच्या इनॉग्रेशन, एक फ्लोटिंग जेटी आणि सेकंड सोलर फेरी बोट. ह्या उक्तावणाच्या कार्यक्रमाक आमच्या मदीं आसात आमचे सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर फॉर द पोर्ट आणि आयुष मिनिस्टर श्री सोनोवाल जी. आमच्या मदीं आसात आमचे स्टेट टुरिझम मिनिस्टर श्रीपाद भाऊ. आमच्या मदीं रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर